Mama wakwaba midin ede adwoa search him mesrew na wa subscribe to my channel me a notification bell no so for more news. Honorable Sam George oye MP de maningo pram ana no Saturday NDC for koyo primaries almost sanso AKP ni na no akoyinika na Ghana fo nso akeka omadwen ede akere no na adofo ensema Honorable Sam George ekan yina ne se ewo obi ni show so Asempa FM. Honorable Etrese and His Excellency Nana Dankwa Kufuado ebeye president ide ene okasa onje ne ama no boa wa pra enya kwan de ama no constituency wenya hospital e de ama no constituency wenya nyema bebre. Honorable Etrese one de onfa ho se NPP ana NDC na meba power bi onima ne se ne constituency fo ho atodo nze one ene nyema inde waje pa na no na obi ebisa ne se na Madam Rebecca aye First Lady His Excellency Nana Dankwa Kufuado nere nso why bibi wo ho ana because First Lady ofriningo pram na no na Sam George Etrese oh dabe First Lady di onya de kra esese oja legacy bi ewo ningo pram se na ebe ya ne kunu efri so a wade bebo ne din ni kunu de wa ya de kakra na emome no First Lady de onya hwe Sam George na eno na Ghana fo akekọ madwe e de ache na dofo ansan na me de ensema Ghana fo aka na yenti ensema Honorable Sam George
do this to his face eda oba the commission of part 1 of the Mampakadan Railway no e wo me concerns no the catcher and say I want him to fix the roads in Ngo Pram because the Yeri free Ngo. I want him to connect electricity and I want him to build hospitals in Ngo Pram. As I said, me for no.
Sure.
I'm not an MP who will say I want only NDC to come. What I want is development for my people. Whether you are NDC or MPP, what I want is development for my people. Minyama Menkrofa, because President Kufuado say every time he does a project in my constituency, me vote because and they are doing me. And say on your project
on your project. But because in the area of constituents, no, how have you used that opportunity?
I know the maminka on yadi and year in yadi. But I have made it and I've used this platform. I've said it on several platforms. I'll use this platform again because Obiati Asempa.
Yes.
Yes. Say mami First Lady Rebecca Kufuado Otia. Me too no as me auntie because I mean mommy cousin.
Oh.
Yes. Offering me fee. Offering Kabiawe or you mean mommy cousin. On mommy your first cousins. Me too no as me auntie. Say one she now okoso how she has done for the past 6.5 years. Now ni kunuba ni time no baby year on the 7th of January 2025. Want to remember fee.
Sir. No, but are you saying say as First Lady there is no visible way away me
First Lady
on where pull it
wama new ningo bus 55-seater bus
for him. Oh, New Ningo Senior High School?
No, not even the senior high school.
Okay.
It's being used by the town. Normally transporting Kwalanuko schools near there.
Okay.
A number of schools. And a 30-year-old market. One be painted, one will renovate a painted a New Ningo station. A 30-year-old market, that's all. Me say, Uba Ningoa. A choir yedi Ningo. Sa choir enfa pram. E was the main Aflao road no so. E was Chopoli.
Yeah.
Chopoli to Ningo is the ancestral road to Ningo. Sakwaina say a 14.5 kilometer road. Me say Rebecca Kufuado on kanche nekno. Na omo be siesie Sakwaino. Na yemfa to ni din as Rebecca Kufuado highway. I don't care. But let that be her legacy. Let her do something that people in Ningo Pram will remember her. Say oye Ningoni and na nyawa ye e dia boni mine. But if she continues following the people who she's following all around in the town. Now my can't say gonna assume. Me, she's my auntie. I want her else Obakroma. They will hoot at her.
No, but
because she has absolutely no. I'm saying she has no legacy. Phones know her.
Yes.
Her office is listening.
Yes.
Says she has done anything of note. A legacy in Ningo Pramprama. One friend me liar.
No, but the point is, Sam, because oye auntie in the more familiar relationship. We a member of parliament for the constituency. You have an office or a letterhead any other. what's your relationship with the office of the first lady? That's the point I want to know. Would the project be according to him say, okay, ufri ningo, Wayne you need time if he's
she's working closely with the DC's office, so the DC should help her get it. But like I said, I will continue to use these platforms to advise her.
And Sama, Honorable Sam George, a day at Tudane. Now, we and a Ghana for what you say, Honorable Bonia, Unya cry. Now, agenda 111 now, and when you go from Pamna, His Excellency, on our ye. It beats me about say, Mammy Rebecca Crown or convincing Nukuno ye. Who knows? I quite now can one or ye, mean the MPP Abaya. Now, one corner catch us a first lady you quine. And the more NDC for my brother and a second lady be. Second lady, a vice president, and Miss Ate when you're baby coin, I'm a funny crazy, and they catch and say, talking again and enjoy and day. Now, Mamma Rebecca, the waiting man you could grab basic hospitals, I have quanya, is on your debut, and the Ghana for a can wide in their channel pa. The incident in my Ghana for a kind way, a Tyson, and our Ocha say. The Agenda 111 hospital is not a legacy. The sea defense in your constituency is not a legacy. The road constructions in your constituency are not legacy. The bus provided by the First Lady for students in Ningo is not a legacy. He must mention one thing he has done as a member of parliament for the 8 years he has been in power. Okay, and I went so Pinto Godfred and I Otrese. Oh, okay, where Gideon Ahen and I Otrese. What is the essence of voting for the NDC in this whole 8 years? NDC has woefully failed the people. What did you do for the people when your party was in power? And I went so Hamidru and Auche say, when they vote for John Mahama, did you tell Mahama to build hospital for them? You are just talking from your stomach. You are not talking of what you are. You are not thinking of what you are saying. Okay. And I went so Nana Poku and Auche said this guy will lose totally in upcoming general election. I don't like his personality. The arrogance is too much. Okay, and I went so Nana Owusu Bempa and I Oche say. Nana Owusu Bempa and I Oche say. Obi, why allow this dishonorable guy to attack the First Lady unprovoked? Since when did the First Lady become an agent of development for him to tell her to learn sense? Even when his constituents have always voted for him, the NDC over the 8 years, okay, it's in some way, and Ghana for Aka Ede Ache Honorable Sam George. Say identity and Oma His Her Excellency First Lady Mama Rebecca warning. Who are you? NDC for bad power. Then I want to make a chair Mahama say on ye and fire and my wine. Okay, can't see me who's and the same thing and I Ghana for Aka Ede Ache Honorable Sam George.